Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what these are some bath sponges or loofahs, and you see from this brand in particular here. They actually have other color options as well, so you definitely do your own research to see which one you guys want. But this is the one that we got right here, so let me actually open it up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So when you guys open it up, this is what it looks like inside right there. So the one that I got right here comes in this color right here, and you see the logo right there. So the one that we got right here is the large one that comes in a 4 set. Here is the second color. If I can see, the color actually looks really nice. And then here are the remainder 2. So there's a total of 4 different colors. So you can see right here, we have all 4 of the colors right here. And like I mentioned earlier, they actually have it in different design and different color as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys want. And they also have it in different size as well. So there's either like the medium option or the large option, and I believe they have a small one as well, but I know for sure they have a medium and large one from what I remember. So when you guys look at the material that they use inside here and the way how they design it, it is pretty high quality. They use an upgraded knot inside to actually hold it much tighter if you guys compare this to other brands. And I definitely love this ribbon option right here, so that way it's actually hang on to somewhere, so that way it's keep it organized. They mentioned how it's supposed to produce much more foam and a richer amount of foam as well, if you guys can see right here. But this is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over to like the bathroom or shower room and show you guys how to use it. I'm probably gonna use it on my arm because I don't want to show you guys how to use it on here, just for privacy. But if you guys want to use it over here, all you guys need to do is just put some soap on here and just use it all over your body like this, and even like armpit or whatever. But let's go over to the restroom and show you guys how to use one of these first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. So what you guys want to do first is put some water on here, and then you guys can use your soap or the body wash, which is what we're gonna use right here. So I'm actually put some water on here first. So right now when I'm getting it wet, I can definitely feel the material on here is pretty high quality. So we got some water on here now, so what we want to do is add some soap. So all we need to do is just do one squirt, so just like this. So once we use it on the skin or body or whatever, just like this. A lot of foam is starting to happen already, but that's not all, it'll keep going. But when we rub it throughout the loofah or the sponge, you can see that a lot of the foam starts to happen or starts to build up. And when you guys feel the material on the loofah is really high quality. Out of all the loofahs I tried so far, this is probably one of the best ones. It feels super durable and see I produce a lot of foam on here. So once you guys got the foam all set up, you can start scrubbing onto your skin or your body as well. You can see how much foam is on here. And then when you guys are ready to clean it, just turn on the water and rinse it off. Alright, so that should be good. So what you guys want to do now is to just hang it on somewhere and let it air dry. And once I finish rinsing it, I just want to hang it right here. So just like that. Or if you guys have somewhere else to hang it, you can definitely hang it wherever you guys want to. But that's basically how you guys use the product. If you can see, pretty easy to use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test actual product itself is, and definitely see that actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use. But you definitely see how much foam it actually reduces when you guys use the product, which is pretty awesome. And when you guys view the actual product, it definitely has the upgraded knot that I mentioned, so that way it won't break as easy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and testing the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys don't want to use so much soap and body wash when you guys are showering, then these are definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.